So actually I was explaining about humidity. So if in your atmosphere water droplets are present, then you will say your atmosphere is humid. And if there is no water droplet, then you will say it is wet. I mean your atmosphere is dry. So this is wet atmosphere, this is dry atmosphere. Okay, now question, what is problem if the weather is humid, and what is benefit if weather is not humid? See guys, imagine your humidity is 100%. Then roughly I am telling you, a person will die in this atmosphere exactly, I mean just at 30 degrees Celsius. I'm just saying rough data. A person can die only at 30 degrees Celsius in humid 100% saturated humidity. If you're so what is the meaning of that? Meaning is, if you say 100% saturated weather, I mean humidity, it means whatever water bubbles was acceptable by the atmosphere, that maximum limit has reached. It means if I am giving you atmosphere, in that atmosphere I am saying air molecules are there, and after that some water molecules are also there, and slowly water molecules are increasing in the atmosphere because of vaporization. Slowly it became totally 100% humidity. 100%, it means atmosphere is saturated now. Saturated means it cannot accept any extra water molecule. And imagine if someone is present in this, and if the person is sweating, then these water molecules will not go into the atmosphere, because atmosphere will not accept any extra water molecule. So you understand, because of this you will be feeling like sometimes in rainy season. See, I will tell you actually what kind of behavior you experience in rainy season and in summer season. In rainy season and in summer season, so rain here and summer here. Actually in rainy season you will feel sticky on your body. You will feel like, okay, water is present on your body, on your hand, on your face, on your forehead. You will feel that on your neck. You will feel that, okay, water is present. So why it is there? It is there because in case of dry weather, as compared to dry weather, your water is not evaporating to the atmosphere easily, because already atmosphere is humid because rainy season. Guys, concept clear? Gaurav and Dhruv? Okay, very good. Then there are some technical terms like humidification. Sometimes we do intentionally. There are some situations in industries, we increase the water the particles of water intentionally. Sometimes because of cooling situations, we have to add water, and because of that we sometimes humidity is not worth for us, and sometimes we produce that. Especially during cooling process, humidity comes into picture. It's like cooling and dehumidification process, heating and humidification process. So all these processes are there. It is just like a simple theory. Okay, that's all.